What happens when you sell a product for the wrong price? This is a key question that every manufacturer wants to know. If the price is set too high, the customer won't be able to pay that amount for the product, inventory starts piling up, and market indicates surplus. What this means for the business is that money is lost, so it's not a good practice for business. On the other hand, if the price is set too low, many customers would want to buy that product. This will quickly drain the inventory, leading to shortages and angry customers. Again, not good for business. But do you know that you can use linear algebra to find the perfect price? This is what this video is about. Keep watching. A smartphone manufacturer wants to find the market equilibrium price and quantity. Here we have two groups in the market for smartphones. Manufacturers that control the supply side. They decide how many phones they will make depending on the price they can get. The other group is consumers group. They control the demand side. They decide how many phones they will buy depending on the price. This problem gives two price quantity points for each side. The market equilibrium is the price where the number of phone manufacturers want to sell equals the number of phones consumers want to buy. At that price, there is no leftover unsold stock, that is surplus, and no unmet orders, that is shortage. Let's start by graphically solving the problem. There are two unknowns in this problem, price and quantity. Draw the supply line, that is what manufacturer wants to do. Since we had 2 points, we can draw a line. Now we draw the demand line, that is what consumer wants to do. The solution or market balance or the perfect price would be where both lines intersect. Deviating from this balance will result in either surplus or shortage of products in the market, leading to unhappy, angry customers and loss in revenue. Now let's see how we can solve this algebraically, that is using equations. We have two equations, one for supply line and the other for demand line. Here we have two unknowns, quantity and price, but first we need to solve for the unknowns A, B, C and D in both these equations. We plug in the provided numbers and get these two sets of system of linear equations. In each system we have two equations and two unknowns. We can solve this easily either by simple algebraic operations or we can use Gauss elimination or Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Plugging these values in our supply and demand equations give another system of linear equations. Again, we have two equations and two unknowns. Solving this gives the perfect price and quantity to achieve market balance. Now you know how system of linear equations can help in solving real-life problems. Thanks for watching.